Instagram as a business is really preferring video related content. What that tells me now as a more savvy business owner is that I got a better chance of a video getting to the levels I want than a traditional post. It doesn't guarantee it, but I understand the preferences. Learn the preferences of IG, of TikTok, of Facebook, of LinkedIn, of Twitter. And that's what's going to help you last. Because, lastly, once again, going back to failure, there are a lot of people that were building stuff when I started building stuff, when Rel started building stuff, and they're not building it no more. So, just like I said, listen, educate yourself, and sometimes just scrolling up and down your timeline and watching the habits, do not let the world's going to tell you, put that phone away. We need to take it back to old school. And I don't necessarily disagree with that, especially with kids. But as a business owner, you need to see the trends.